about to reveal Tim's '46 Ford convertible. Hey, Tim, you want to tell us a little something about this car?
Why, this car is chopped. It's shaved. It's recessed. Why, it's greased to lightning. Fuel injection cut off and chrome-plated rods, oh yeah. With a 4-speed on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know, without a doubt, I'll be really making out a grease to lightning. Supreme, chick so dream, a grease of lightning. I'll have it no French taillights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A barrel dashboard and two muffler twins, oh yeah. With new pistols, buttons, and shots, she could beat the super stocks. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real dragon wagon, grease of lightning. Go grease lightning, you bully up the quarter. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat lab track. You are supreme, the chicks will scream for grease lightning. Supreme, the chicks will scream for grease lightning.
Pretty proud of you. It looks good. It looks great, actually.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, God, it was such a good idea for you to think of grease lightning.
Yeah.
Wow, Heidi was great.
What about us?
Oh, you were in it?
Okay.
Oh, by the way, Dad.
Nah, don't even bother thanking me. It was all you. It was a good idea.
Actually, I wasn't going to. I went way over budget. Can I get reimbursed?
Son, you have a lot to learn about the film business.